Hi, today we are going to explore a powerful algebraic identity that makes solving expression a lot easier, right? And this algebraic identity is x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab, that is a multiplied by b, right? Let us break it down step by step. Let us understand left side of the expression. This identity involves multiplying two binomials, that is x plus a and x plus b. Okay. Let us use distributive property. So here x plus a multiplied by x plus b. When x is multiplied by x, we get, that is, let us say we are multiplying x by x. Then we need to multiply x and b. So we can say that xb or bx plus, when a is multiplied by x, we get ax, plus when a is multiplied by b, we get ab, right? So let us combine similar terms together. When x is multiplied by x, we get x square. You see here we have x in bx, and again in ax also we have x in common. So I will write a plus sign, and in the bracket I will write b plus a, then the common term, that is x. At last we have ab. Okay. So this will make it x square plus b plus a is nothing but a plus b. Both are same. A plus b or b plus a are same. Multiplied by x plus ab. Right. So this is what we get. X square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Right. So this means that first term is always x square, right? The second term is the sum of constants, that is a and b multiplied by a variable, that is x. Okay? And the third term is the product of constants a and b. This is a multiplied by b. Okay? So x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab, right? This identity helps you to expand expressions quickly, solve quadratic equations, and factor polynomials easily. It is a shortcut that saves time and makes math simpler, right? Now let us see a couple of examples. So here in this example we have a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. So using the identity we have this formula, x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab, right? Let us work on the right hand side of the algebraic identity. On the right hand side we have x square plus a plus b x plus ab, right? Let us replace a and b with the values we have, that is a equal to 2 and b equal to 3, right? So this is going to be x square plus, at the place of a I will write 2, plus at the place of b I will write 3 x plus 2 multiplied by 3, right? So this is x square plus 2 and 3 is 5, that is 5x plus 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, right? So this is the answer, x square plus 5x plus 6, when we multiply x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, let us take one more example. In this example we have x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. So in this case, at the place of a we have minus 4 and for b we have 1, right? So on the right hand side we have this particular algebraic identity. I will write it down. Now let us replace a and b with the values we have, that is x square plus in the bracket minus 4 plus 1 x plus, and for the a and b minus 4 multiplied by 1, right? So this is going to be x square plus minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3x plus minus 4 multiplied by 1 is minus 4. This is x square. When this plus sign multiplies by this minus sign, it becomes minus. minus 3x. Same here, when this plus sign gets multiplied by this minus sign, it becomes minus 4, right? So answer of x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. This is the answer, right? Okay, so hope you understood this concept, this new algebraic identity where we tried to find out the value of x plus a multiplied by x plus b, and its value is x square plus a plus b x plus ab, right? So hope you understood this concept. I will bring more examples of different algebraic identity in my next videos. Thank you for watching.